What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. What are we going to be doing today? What we're going to be doing today is assembling the spindles that we stole from a 1993 Integra. Straight up thievery from a junkyard. Just yanked them off. Anyways, so we're going to strip them down. We're going to put in a new premium hub. Not hub, but bearing. New bearing, new studs, recondition the hub. Recondition the entire spindle itself. We're also going to be adding that ESM spherical bearing, ball joint assembly to the bottom of the knuckle. You know, that's all we're going to be doing today, and hopefully that gets us closer to finishing the front suspension. So yeah, I think it's we have 2 more components or so. Yeah, strut tow bar and the lower control arm for the front, and then the whole assembly. The whole front assembly can then be installed for the suspension. That's what we're going to be. But yeah, that's what we're going to do today. So enjoy the episode. And here we go.
Snap ring pliers, impact driver, straight blade screwdriver, and a 2-pound hammer. I got these from a 93 Integra out of the junkyard. So see right here, this guy, somebody had been beat the shit out of it trying to break the joint off. It's usually what you do, but I mean, Jesus Christ, they didn't have to go to that extreme. So I don't see any cracks, so I called it good. Probably just clean it up, a little bash metals, not too bad. There's our snap ring plier. I imagine that's going to give me some headaches. So, as you can see already, I can open up one side fairly good, not this other side. So we go mangle this guy, give it a little mangle dangle. See, trying to persuade him. He's a stubborn guy. He's stuck in his views. He doesn't want to see the light. Look at that. I think we can still use them. So once you do that, you can put the nut back on. Just give it a couple whacks. And there it is. Oh, that's probably why too, huh? I forgot to take them out. Yeah, so this guy goes right there. All you gotta do is pry him out a little bit. But yeah, he's out. So now I got him off. Bring him over here. Out. crunchy. And here's the difference after I finish cleaning and sanding. So I sanded all this right here and I polished the inside where the bearing goes. Clean. I don't know if you can see that. Clean right there, that's where the C-clip goes. Same thing with the back side. I cleaned it all nice up. Yeah. Everything's all cleaned up compared to this guy. These are our Integra DA knuckles. Cleaned them all up, painted them, cleared them. That's a couple coats of clear. You know, except for the areas where there's mating surfaces. But yeah, these are our finished product. So I need to buy some bearings. So I need to get some bearings. But before I get the bearings, I gotta take this inner race off right here. Alright here, so this is the inner race for the old bearing. So in order to do that, I cut it out. And in case you want to know what bearing to purchase, you can always run that number right there. If you run that number, you'll find the same exact bearing. You need to press the studs out. The wheel studs. I'm going to use my homemade hydraulic press here. I got this guy right here. Just place it over the top. Bring the press down, and I'm going to press all 4 studs out at the same time.
Damn it!
Now we're going to clean these guys up. What we're doing now is assembling these spindles. So we got the cleaned up refurbished hub, brand new centric premium wheel bearings. These they don't require a lot of force. They don't really need to be pressed in. They should slide in relatively easy. Just get like a solid rubber hammer, and you can just start working your way around it. You can put that in, and then the way they're held in place are with these giant C-clips. So once it's set in place, you can put the C-clip in, and then you have to press this guy onto there. Alright, so there you have it. This guy's on. I'm afraid to press this guy in just the way it is because you're not supposed to push on the center because I'll mess up the ring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this guy in the freezer, shrink this metal, and when I'm ready to go, I'm going to heat this inner race up to have it expand. And hopefully that'll minimize any friction between the inner race and this guy. So that's what I'm going to do. So I got the other two hubs in the freezer, so I'm going to go ahead and put this bearing in. I don't have another C-clip. I don't know what I did with it, so I'm going to have to go to the auto parts store here pretty soon to throw that in. But before that, we do have these. So I'll throw that hub in, and then I'll put these ESM spherical ball joints in here.
Oh yeah, well they'll actually go like this. We have these guys, and then we'll put them in here. They come with everything we need. Again, ESM makes a great product. These are fully rebuildable. You can see it's like that. It comes with the shaft, and then you tighten them up. But yeah, that's where we're at. So it comes with the C-clips and then top caps. Right there. Alright, so I'm putting you guys on time lapse. We'll get that done here. And here we have it. Oh, newly refurbished. New ball joint. New bearing. New studs. Refurbished hubs. Freshly painted.